The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana urban mission was launched in June 2015 to provide housing for all in urban areas. Under this scheme, preference is given to women and widows with a benefit of 1.5 lakh rupees central assistance to build a Pakka house through a nodal agency. However, Sabera Beva, a widow who lost her husband 20 years ago and was left to fight her battles alone with 4 daughters, is still living in a completely ramshackled home without power and proper drinking water, and still having to defecate outdoors as she does not even have a toilet. The broken down home does not even have a door. She is using a polythene sheet to cover the leakage from the roof. The kitchen too is broken. The walls have holes through which rays of the sun can be seen. She has no ration or Aadhaar card, which has become a big problem for her. She has been living with her family in this home in the small village of Bhawanipur in Malda district of Bengal. The neighbors have helped her to somehow get through the years, and she has managed to get her daughters married with their help. She has not received any help from the government, which has further added to her plight.
সবাই দুঃখ আমার বাচ্চা দুঃখ বেজাই বেজাই দুঃখ ঘরে পড়ে গেছে অবস্থা এই যে খারাপ আমি তো বলে গরিব আমি বাপ ওখানে মা ওখানে গরিব ছি।
Her younger daughter decided to stay back with her even after she was married off to look after her mother, and she has been doing so for the past 15 years. She has been working in the fields and in other houses as a domestic help to sustain her children and her widowed mother, and barely managed to survive with one proper meal in a day.
ঘরে শুয়ে থাকিছে আর মাঠে যাচ্ছি ধান মান কাটতে, আর এই বাড়ি থেকে লোকের বাড়ি থেকে কাম করছি খাচ্ছি, আর মাথাতে ঠিক নাই, আর ঘর একটা ঘর আছে ভাঙা ফুটা, কই পরে কলত পানি খাচ্ছি, বাথরুম নাই, কল নাই, লোক বোঝাই বলছে খালি পানি খাচ্ছি। তো শ্বশুরবাড়ি যাচ্ছি না, আমি মাকে দেখছি, খেলাধুলা করছি, যে পাচ্ছি খেলাচ্ছি।
The local Panchayat member's house is just a stone's throw away, but the Panchayat too never bothered to see to her plight, which is nothing new as there are several stories of actual beneficiaries being left out of government schemes due to political reasons. The Panchayat authorities said that her name was on the list of beneficiaries for the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, although the money could not be provided to her as she did not have a bank account. A bank account could not be opened for her is again because she did not have an Aadhaar card. How ironic. Who is supposed to be seeing to the problems of the poor is something one might ask.
ওনার যে হচ্ছে না তার আসল কারণটা হলো আমরা পঞ্চায়েতে মানে যোগাযোগ করেছি প্রধান এবং যে কাজ করে আমাদের বিএফটি ইয়াসিন সাহেব এবং সেক্রেটারি যারা আছে দায়িত্ব ওদেরকে বলেছি, আমি বলছি যে আধার কার্ড না থাকলে হচ্ছে না।
Nobody really cares as the government, which is run by corrupt politicians and leaders in the local level, are too busy making hay while the sun shines. So where do they have the time for the poor? It happens surprisingly just before an upcoming election when these so-called leaders woo the electorate and make all the false promises, and the electorate believe them every time and realize they have been fooled once again. The block development officer got to know of Sabera Beva's plight through the media and has decided to help her get a bank account so that the central assistance can be availed by her to have a decent home, which she, her daughter and grandchildren very well deserve.
তো এটা আমাদের জানা ছিল না আমাদের এখানে, তো এটা আমরা জানতে পারলাম যাতে ওনার খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আধার কার্ড এবং ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট খুলে দেওয়ার ব্যবস্থা করা যায় সেটা আমরা করছি, এবং আশা করব খুব তাড়াতাড়ি এইগুলো হয়ে গেলে, অর্থাৎ আধার কার্ড এবং আধার কার্ড হয়ে গেলে ব্যাংক অ্যাকাউন্ট খোলা হয়ে গেলে আমরা এই পরিষেবা যেটা আছে আমাদের মানে যে সুবিধাটা আমরা দিতে পারবো, আশা করছি খুব তাড়াতাড়ি ওনাকে পৌঁছে দিতে পারবো।
This is one instance of the several who have been deprived of the government assistance over the years. Please like our Facebook page and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the latest updates from News at 9.